Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to draw Sukuna. So start drawing with a circle and I'm showing the measurement of each and everything. It's gonna help you to draw it as it is. After completing the structure, we have to draw the eyes. These are two big rectangle shaped eyes. So there is not anything difficult, I guess. You just have to draw the same two lines opposite to each other. And then a lens in between. That's all you need to do. And then proceed same on the other side. So next tutorial is gonna be Future Hanma from Tokyo Revengers. I think many of you are looking forward to it, so just wait a little bit more and the video will be out after one day. And thank you guys for waiting for the tutorial. You know, patience and struggle always bear fruit, so that this. In the video, I'm drawing the other things around the eyes like eyelids and the eyebrows without any measures because they're just mere distance apart and I think that's not so difficult to draw them. And I just drew the nose line from the left eyebrow and now drawing that tattoo on the nose. And now let's draw the nostril by taking this measure. And time to draw the mouth. After drawing the mouth, here is a measurement of chin. And now let's draw the jawline. After drawing the jawline, I am drawing the forehead tattoo. And now let's draw the hairs just above the tattoo at the circumference of the circle. I'm happy to see you guys still watching this video, so if you still didn't like the video and make a comment about anything, I will reply anyway. Subscribe to my channel too, it's gonna help me a lot with my YouTube career, so I will be thankful to you if you do. After drawing the hair, it's time to draw the ears, and ears are always between the eyes and the mouth. And I am marking these lines to draw the ears, and it just made easy to draw them. And now let's draw the remaining hair starting from the ear upward. To draw the center here, let's take this measurement and then draw the V in the center and just proceed further. After drawing the hair, it's time to draw the neck and shoulders. Facial tattoos are still left and now let's just complete them. now I'm starting a little bit of shading now with a 4B pencil. And now I'm using a 3B pencil for the further light shading. And now sketch is about to complete. Do your signature and we are done. Let's go to see the final look, and I really hope to meet you guys in the next video. So take care of yourself. Bye bye, and wait for the next video. Watch the next video if you want to try another sketch of Sukuna.